how to sell games and puzzles on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell your own products using this platform. So first of all, let's explain the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. And as you can see in here, we have a lot of products in this platform, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So for example, let's check one of these products just to show you an idea of what you're going to learn in today's video. Let's check this product, for example. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a shop page exactly like this one, how to set the price of your product, how to add the photos of the product, the video if you have one, the video of your product if you have one. Let's just wait for it to load. And guys, this is just a video with no sound. So the videos in Etsy.com, they are not allowed to have sounds in them. So they are just videos without sound, just like this one. And for the pictures, you can add as many as you want. I don't know why it keeps going to this page, but let's just go to it. Let's close. And I'm going also to show you how to add the options of your product, how to set the item details or the product's details, if it's handmade or not, the materials, the raw stone, if it's recycled or not, the description of the product as well, and the shipping and return policies too. I'm going to show you how to set the return and the shipping policies. So let's close this tab and let's go to the main page. Go to the shop manager button in your top right. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. And here you have to go through 6 steps in order to do that. And the first step is the shop preferences. Then comes name in your shop. Then stock in your shop. Then you choose how you get paid. Then you set up the billing or the payment processors. Then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. So here you choose the shop's language, then the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So I'm just going to change the shop's currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for the shop. So let's go with this name and let's remove the spaces between words and the special characters. Let's replace them with with real words like this. And here, as you can see, the name is already taken, so it's just add a number to make the name unique, or you can just choose one of these options. For me, I like to add numbers. And when the name is available, click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stock in your shop. And here you will add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So guys, before we proceed to add in the photos and details about the product, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. And here, as you can see, we have 4 required fields. The first one is photos. You will need to upload at least 1 photo. Then we have the inventory. You will need to set or enter the price of the product. Then we have the listing details, and here you will need to fill all of these red fields. And the last one is shipping. You will need to fill all of these red fields as well. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. And here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. include a common object for scale, show the item being held, worn, or used, shoot against a clean, simple background, add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15-second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So you start with entering the title of the product. So here let's enter the title of the product. Then you answer these 3 questions. The first one is who made it, and here you have 3 options to choose from. Let's go with I did. Then you have what is it, a finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from: not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. And then for the category, let's just enter the product's name, and you will have a lot of categories to choose from. Let's choose the first category, which is the board games, and here you will have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product. Let's go with black. Secondary color, let's choose bronze. Occasion, you can choose one in here. A holiday, you can choose one in here as well. Then for the renewal options, if you want to go with the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you want to choose the manual renewal, which is free, so let's choose the manual. Then for the type, if you want to go with the physical product, if it's a physical product or a digital product, then comes the description. So here, just make sure to enter a good description for your product. Then you have the price. So here, make sure to give your product a fair price for you and for your clients as well. Then we have the shipping. So here, as I said in the beginning, make sure to fill all of these red fields with the right information. And the last thing is the returns and exchanges policy. You can apply the 30 days policy, or you can choose another one in here. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.